friends, today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making vintage aviator goggles. To complete this craft, you will need 2 mason jar rings, 1 yard of brown ribbon, Velcro self-adhesive dots, a hot glue gun, and glue sticks. Here's what you'll do. First, measure how much ribbon you'll need to attach the mason jar rings together so they will fit correctly on your eyes. Add an extra 1/2 inch of ribbon so it overlaps, and hot glue the rings together. Next, cut a piece of ribbon that's long enough to wrap around your head. Loop one end through the outside of the jar rings and then hot glue it to the inside of the ribbon. Check to make sure the ribbon isn't twisted and then repeat the same process on the other side. Find the middle section of the ribbon that goes around your head and cut it in half. Then measure your head and find the perfect spot to attach the Velcro dots so it will fit nice and snug. Ta-da! Here are the finished vintage aviator goggles. I hope you enjoyed this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!